Following the merger between OCS and Italian Servest,
the new OCS group has now formed
one combined public sector FM division
to ensure our customers are able to leverage strengths and expertise across all of our contracts.
With over 50 contracts
and a workforce of 7,400 colleagues
across 1,150 sites.
We provide facilities management services, including
cleaning,
catering,
security,
portering
and logistics,
hard services,
waste management,
and much more.
We provide these services as either total facilities management
or a bundled services package across both central and local government,
as well as in healthcare and education sectors.
In healthcare, we cover acute and specialist hospitals
and a wide range of community and mental health trusts.
Whilst in education, we provide services to a range of universities and schools.
At OCS, we share a group-wide vision
to be the best provider of facilities management services
for colleagues, customers and communities alike,
by making people and places
the best they can be.
We are public sector facilities management.
Join us on our journey.